In this video, we'll be covering how to organically post your Waymark video to LinkedIn. Whether you're posting from a personal page or business page, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Once you're logged in, click the video icon below the share box at the top of your page. Then, choose your Waymark video from your computer. If you're posting to a business page, you'll be given the option to add a video title at the top. The title section is a great place to say something about your video and an opportunity to add a few tags. While you're at it, encourage your coworkers, family, and friends to share your video with their extended network. If you scroll below the video, you're given the options to add a thumbnail and closed captions. These additions are offered on both personal and business pages. If you don't have a thumbnail handy, play your video on your computer and take a screenshot to upload. This thumbnail image will show up wherever your video is visible throughout the platform. You'll need a specific SRT file if you're interested in adding closed captions, but you can always feel free to skip this step. Once you're finished with any additions, click Done and you're all set. You'll receive a notification when your video is uploaded, processed, and ready to view.